Are you ready to have the happiest chickens in the neighborhood? I'm Sarah with WTI, and this herbal supplement chicken feed from Clucks is now a permanent staple on my little homestead. My chicks go crazy for this stuff. It's a mix of oregano, rosemary, basil, garlic, lavender, red pepper flakes, and coriander, and it smells like I want to make soup with it. I mix a little in with their food, and I sprinkle it in their run for them to scratch and peck. My chickens are still young, but they're looking strong, growing fast, and they're full of energy. I've got several pets around my home, and I love to spoil them all, and that includes my chickens. So I love watching them get so excited when I sprinkle this in their chicken run. I particularly love the smell of these herbs. Chickens are not the best smelling creatures, but I also like to sprinkle this in their bedding, and it cuts down on that odor. So if you're looking for a way to spoil your chickens with a tasty treat for them and overall happier chickens for you, then I think you need to try this herbal supplement from Clucks. But that's just my point of view.